So hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me on a Wednesday afternoon of all days out on the street triple, because I want to show you all that you can enjoy your bike during the winter. Obviously that will depend on where you live. For those who don't know, I'm the southern part of the UK, not like the proper south, but I'm not north of London, so I don't get much ice or snow. I mean, we literally had a red weather warning last night saying there's going to be ice and potential snow, and it's fine. I mean, it's a bit wet, but I haven't seen any ice yet. So yeah, I'm currently out to meet my mate Alex, not Alex with the CB650F, my mate Alex with the MX5 that was in the Karmic video. Be honest, I should have asked if anyone else on the bikes wanted to come out, but no one's really been massively active on the group chat, so I don't want to be fair during the week because everyone's working. I'm not the only one out in the group that doesn't work a strict 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. At least I'm pretty sure I'm the only one that doesn't. So yeah, that complicates things sometimes. But yeah, so join me. We're literally about to go meet Alex as well, and I'll show you how I find ways to enjoy my bike in the winter. There he is. Hello? No. We can go down the seafront then? Okay. Who wants to lead? I'll lead. Actually, no, you might as well lead. You're facing the right fucking way. I'll go turn around. So yeah, we're with Alex now. That's him in front. So this is one of the things that, you know, I would recommend. One of the things I'd recommend doing if you are going to try and ride in the winter, have someone to ride with, even, you know, if they're not on a bike. Perhaps you're someone that does prefer to ride alone, but I would say riding with someone at this time of year is just safer, because if something does happen, you know, you've got a bit of a safety net with you. Obviously, you know, if you do end up coming across a patch of ice, or just a really, that's just a really wet bit of road and you come off, you know, you've got someone there to help you out. No, unless both of you get in trouble, but, you know, let's hope that doesn't happen. Oh, bikey. I meant Niall, actually. I didn't really get a good look. That was Niall. Hi, Niall. What else was I going to say? Also, yeah, just being with someone, you know, if you're both, you know, having a laugh, it might distract you from the cold as well. And just, you know, overall make the experience a bit more enjoyable. I don't know if you can see that, but that Fiesta in front, the windscreen wash is just going straight over the windscreen, over the top of the car, and behind it, well, it wasn't right up its arse. But yeah, we're going to go for a little bimble down the seafront, because obviously the sun's out, and you never know, might see some nice cars. In case I don't put the clip in, because obviously I was meant to meet Alex at Clean Park and then he weren't there, there was a really nice old Mustang. So, you know, could be some cool cars on the seafront as well. So, let us see what we find. Oh, brother. It's fucking, the tyres are cold and everything's cold and slippery. I'm gonna be careful, Brev. You don't understand.
Destroy your bike, drive the car.
Feel that?
Where's this, the pole? That's the pole.
Just a grip. What? If you'd already ridden the bike, I'd let you have a go on it, but if it was the 500, I'd say yeah, but maybe not this. Do you want to go Roberto's? The coffee place, but obviously you have to pay for parking. Oh, do you? That's true.
A few inches later.
Now, that may have been short, that may have been simple, but you know, it was an excuse to get out. I've, you know, enjoyed the sun, enjoyed the bikes and a friend. That's already, you know, quite a few positives. And you know, that now I know the battery's not be flat on this, and this is something else you could do. Just stop by somewhere and have a coffee. Usually I'd be here with James, but I haven't been able to get hold of him today. There are some other bikes here, of course, but yeah, this is Roberto's. If you've watched my channel before, you've probably seen this place a million times before. If you don't know what this place is, it's a coffee place down Southend Seafront with a free bike bay in front of it, so it usually gets quite popular. So yeah, I'm gonna get a coffee. I'm probably gonna get a hot chocolate actually. But yeah, I will get a donut, but I need to be good on money and also good on food. So yeah, let's go and get a beverage. Right, take two, because I forgot to put my camera back into swim view. So yeah, had me hot chocolate and that, and this is another great thing about coming out for a ride, even in the winter, is that you never know who you're going to bump into, because I bumped into my grandparents, and then I bumped into this dickhead.
Hello.
Hello. This is Charlie.
Hello.
I don't think
Hi,
Charlie's
guys.
been on the channel before, I could be wrong.
I think I was on one when I was your pillion.
Maybe, yeah, for a box video. But
That was quite a while ago.
Charlie, talk to us about this bike you've got here. It looks a bit different from the one I remember you having.
So, I used to have a KTM Duke, but then I had a little incident where I crashed and the bike decided to land on me. So, obviously, as I crashed, the bike was written off, and I decided to get this sexy little girl.
I like your, I like your R9.
Oh yeah, this is.
That's what the 9 on the number plate means.
Oh yeah, this is an R9, guys. It's definitely, yeah, it is. I promise. I swear, this can top out at 700 miles an hour.
Yeah, let's hear that triple real quick. Let's hear the triple. Oh, insane.
Yes, yeah. 900 miles an hour in first gear.
Of course, of course.
I know, right?
Took the camera.
Now watch this burnout.
Go on. Oh, insane.
Oh, wow, what a wicked burnout.
This should be fun trying to pull out of here.
I'm so excited.
But yeah, so you know, if you're debating whether you should ride in winter or not, do it, because you're still going to bump into people and you never know who you're going to end up riding with. We've just basically been doing a couple of laps at the seafront. I mean, look at that lovely sunset right now. It is most gorgeous.
It is a bit romantic, isn't it?
It is.
I think we might have to kiss.
Ooh. Go on then. Go on, you're good.
Thank you.
Yeah. I would.
Like, look how beautiful this is.
Ooh, it is.
Is this so scenic? Getting me on camera with this.
It is.
Ah. Am I about to get all the women in the comments being like, oh my god, you're...
Go on the left, I'll come off on your right.
Okay.
Get the background in better. I don't know how this footage is going to be. Oh, look.
Ah.
Look at this R9. This R9.
Oh, yeah. R9. 700 miles an hour in first gear.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, 18 cylinder. Yeah.
18 cylinder.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't know triples had 18 cylinders, Brev. That's impressive.
Yeah. Yeah, mate.
But yeah, I would definitely say you can indeed, you know, enjoy your bike in winter, enjoy riding. I mean, there's definitely people, you know, are riding daily still because they have to commute, and you know, shout out to that. You know, James, if you've been watching the channel for a while, James rides.
Hi, James.
Oh yeah, he knows James.
I do.
James rides every day, and he does nights as well. So he's riding through the night every day in the winter. So you know, there are people who will probably think, well, I ride every day in winter, but I know there'll be some people that don't, and to them, you can definitely still enjoy riding in winter. I don't know if there's going to be anything else to this. This has been a bit of a random and short video, but I need to film something. So yeah, if anything else happens, I'll put the footage up now, but if not, thank you for watching, and ta-ta. Anything to say, Charlie?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Insane, man, insane. Give me your hand.
On Friday, I've got to get my rear tyre replaced.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I wonder what Bill would think right now.
I don't know. I'll send this footage to him and see what he says.
Okay. La la la. Oh my god, this reminds me of that one time.